Welcome back to another peaceful camping adventure. Today I'm spending some quiet time alone in nature. I have come to this beautiful river deep in the forest to enjoy a calm and relaxing camping experience. The sound of flowing water, the cool breeze, and the peaceful atmosphere make this place feel like a dream. Sometimes life becomes very busy and noisy. We spend so much time surrounded by technology, traffic, and stress, but nature always reminds us how simple and beautiful life can be. That's why today I decided to come here, far away from the busy world, to relax beside this beautiful river. In this video I will set up my camp, cook some warm food, and spend some peaceful moments listening to the relaxing sounds of nature. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this quiet camping journey with me. After driving for a long time through the forest road, I finally reached this beautiful spot beside the river. The moment I stepped out of the car, I could hear the soft sound of water flowing over the rocks. The air here feels incredibly fresh and cool. All around me I can see tall trees gently moving with the wind. Birds are singing somewhere in the distance, and the forest feels calm and peaceful. I slowly walk toward the river to look for the perfect place to set up my camp. The water is crystal clear and moving slowly across the stones. It's such a beautiful and relaxing sight. This place feels safe, quiet, and perfect for spending a peaceful night in nature. So I think this will be the perfect camping spot. Now it's time to start setting up my camping tent. First, I clear a small flat area near the riverbank. The ground here is soft but stable, which makes it a good place for the tent. I take my tent out of the bag and slowly unfold it. Camping alone always feels a little challenging, but at the same time it's also very exciting. As I connect the tent poles and secure them into place, I can hear the river flowing gently beside me. The sound of nature makes every moment here feel peaceful and relaxing. Now I'm fixing the tent stakes into the ground so the tent stays stable even if the wind becomes stronger later tonight. Finally, my small camping home is ready. It's simple, but it feels warm and comfortable. Tonight this tent will protect me from the cold winter air while I sleep beside the river. temperature is slowly getting colder now, so I'm going to start a small fire. I collect some dry branches and small pieces of wood from around the forest floor. The sound of dry leaves under my feet mixes beautifully with the gentle sound of the river. I carefully place the wood together and light the fire. Slowly, the flames begin to grow. The crackling sound of the firewood is one of the most relaxing sounds in nature. The warm orange glow of the fire makes the campsite feel cozy and peaceful. Now the fire will keep me warm while I prepare some food. Cooking outdoors is always a special experience. Today I'm preparing a simple warm meal beside the river. I place my small camping pan over the fire and start heating it slowly. Cooking outdoors is always a special experience. Today I'm preparing a simple warm meal beside the river. I place my small camping pan over the fire and start heating it slowly. The warmth from the fire feels wonderful in this cool weather. As the food begins to cook, a delicious smell spreads into the air. The combination of warm food, fresh forest air, and the relaxing sound of nature makes this moment feel incredibly peaceful. Sometimes the simplest meals taste the best when you cook them outside in nature. While the food cooks, I take a moment to watch the river flowing beside me. The water reflects the light of the sky and creates a beautiful, peaceful scene. This is exactly the kind of moment I came here for. Now that everything is ready, I can finally sit down and relax. I sit quietly near the river, listening to the calming sound of flowing water. The forest is slowly becoming quieter as the day moves toward evening. The cool breeze gently moves through the trees, and the leaves create a soft rustling sound. Moments like this feel very special. There is no noise from the city, no distractions, just pure nature. Sometimes spending time alone in nature helps us understand ourselves better. It reminds us to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the beauty around us. The peaceful sound of the river almost feels like natural music. This is the perfect place to relax and clear the mind. The sun is slowly disappearing behind the trees now. The sky is turning into beautiful shades of orange and purple. As darkness begins to fall, the fire becomes even brighter and warmer. I sit beside the fire and enjoy the quiet night atmosphere. The river continues to flow peacefully in the background. Somewhere far away, I can hear the soft sound of night insects beginning their song. The forest at night feels mysterious, but also very calming. Tonight I will sleep here beside the river and listen to the gentle sounds of nature. This peaceful camping experience has been truly relaxing. Spending time alone in nature reminds me how beautiful and calming the world can be. The river, the trees, the fresh air, and the warm fire all create a perfect moment of peace. Thank you for joining me on this quiet solo camping adventure. I hope this video helped you relax and enjoy the soothing sounds of nature. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more relaxing camping adventures. Good night from this beautiful riverside campsite. See you in the next adventure.